Welcome to our exploration of the harmony between Islam and science, focusing on the celestial bodies that play a crucial role in our lives. The sun and the moon. In Islam, these two heavenly bodies are not only seen as creations of Allah, but also as signs for mankind. Let's delve into what the Quran says about them and how modern science relates to these descriptions. The sun is mentioned multiple times in the Quran, highlighting its importance in the natural order. One of the significant verses is from Surah Yasin, "And the sun runs its course for a term appointed for it, that is the decree of the Almighty, the All-Knowing." Quran 36-38. This verse signifies that the sun has a set path and a defined period, which aligns with modern scientific understanding that the sun, like other stars, has a life cycle and follows a specific trajectory through space. Science tells us that the sun orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy, moving at an average speed of about 828,000 kilometers per hour. It takes about 230 million years to complete one orbit. The Quran's reference to the sun's course can be seen as an allusion to this scientific fact, revealed over 1400 years ago. Similarly, the moon is frequently mentioned in the Quran. One of the most famous references is found in Surah Al-Qamar, "And we have set the phases for the moon until it ends up like an old date stalk." Quran 36-39. This verse speaks of the moon's phases, which are a critical aspect of Islamic practices, such as determining the months in the lunar calendar. The moon's phases result from its orbit around the Earth and the varying angles at which sunlight hits it. This description in the Quran matches modern astronomical observations of the lunar cycle. In Islam, the sun and moon are seen as complementary forces. Surah Al-Furqan highlights their distinct roles. "Blessed is he who made constellations in the skies, and placed therein a lamp, the sun, and a moon giving light." Quran 25:61. The sun is described as a lamp, a source of light and energy, while the moon is referred to as giving light, which reflects the sun's light onto the earth. This balance is crucial for life on Earth, regulating everything from tides to the seasons. Eclipses are significant events in both astronomy and Islamic tradition. The Quran touches upon eclipses in Surah Al-Qiyamah. "So when the sight is dazzled, and the moon becomes dark, and the sun and the moon are joined." Quran 75:8-9. This verse is interpreted as a reference to the phenomenon of an eclipse, where the sun and moon align. Scientifically, we know that a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, while a lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon. Eclipses have been scientifically studied for centuries, and their precise timings can now be predicted with great accuracy. The Quran's mention of these events underscores the importance of the sun and moon in both the spiritual and physical realms. In conclusion, the Quran provides profound insights into the natural world, particularly regarding the sun and moon. These verses, revealed over 1400 years ago, align remarkably with modern scientific understanding. This harmony between Islam and science not only strengthens our faith, but also deepens our appreciation for the universe Allah has created. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. May we continue to seek knowledge and find peace in the harmony of science and faith. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of the intersections between science and faith. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep wondering.